Good evening, guys, wherever you are. We are now in Washington, D.C., and what we are doing today is showing you how the Washingtonians behave in the evenings, especially on a Friday evening like today when it's raining. We want to see what happens in the streets when it rains in Washington. Now what you are looking at right now is one of the restaurants where people are enjoying themselves regardless of the fact that it's actually raining. And ahead of me you can see the traffic is building up, and we are on 9th Street Northwest. Alright, right in Washington, D.C., in the United States of America. It's raining, and that's why I'm running the wipers for this car. But come with me as we drive along these streets and see how it looks when it rains and it's a Friday. What to expect. And now we leave 9th Street, and what we are turning onto is E Street. So let's see what happens, what is happening on E Street. Is there any life? Is there any life going on? That is the question of. Okay, right there I see some beautiful bars and restaurants, and there are some customers enjoying themselves even though it's raining outside. Okay, so let's see. We are in Washington, D.C., guys, on a Friday evening when it's drizzling, and obviously meaning the weather is not nice at all, and we want to see what happens at a time like this. A few people walking down the streets here and there. That's expected. It's expected. Some are riding their bicycles or tricycles or motorcycles and all that. That is expected. The police are there too. That's expected. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, wherever you are joining us from, please consider subscribing to this channel, liking this video, and also telling a friend to tell a friend to come over and watch what we have on this beautiful channel. It's a Friday afternoon. We are in Washington, D.C. We are just looking at how it looks for people that are here, including those that are traveling. They have traveled to Washington, D.C. and found that it's a Friday afternoon and it's raining. So what do they do? They're trying to figure out. So drive with us as we see whether we can get some people to not just talk to, but to see what those people are really doing. Honestly, I must say this is a deserted area of DC, and so there might be not a whole lot to see because there are no restaurants take you to some place where we can see some life going on. Now, what you are looking at, some of these are hotels, and right behind Union Station. Union Station is where people board the trains that are not necessarily taking them anywhere within the city of Washington, D.C. Actually, most of the trains there are interstate trains. If you want to go to New York, if you want to go to Florida, places like that, you go take there at the Union Station. Yeah, guys, tell us what you think so far. Do you think it's boring here in Washington on a Friday afternoon, Friday evening? It's boring. Is it compared to where you are? Drop a comment there in the section. Let's hear what you think. What are your thoughts? What are your thoughts about what's going on here in Washington, D.C. on a Friday afternoon? A rainy one for that matter. That is the building I was telling you about. You see it there? That building right there. So this whole area is actually called Union Station. And that is the station right there. If you want to do travel, especially outside the city, if you want to go to Delaware by train, if you want to go to New York, if you want to go to Carolina, if you want to go to all the way down to Florida, the end of the United States down there, as you go towards Mexico, you can board a train right here at the Union Station, as you see it right there with the flags flying right there. And I see there is rain on my camera. Let's try to clean it up. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, and you see they have all manner of flags here representing different I think organizations. I don't think they represent countries, but that's what it is right here, ladies and gentlemen. Just a quick reminder that we are in Washington, D.C. This particular road is called Massachusetts Avenue. Massachusetts Avenue has some restaurants and hotel on the bus, and we're gonna figure out whether there is anything going on right now, considering that the weather is not very friendly. Yeah, guys, if you are new here, thank you. Welcome to our channel, The City Villager. Just showing you around lifestyle and how people live, and also we do travel stories on this channel, and generally day-to-day life of different people doing different things in a city that is full of city dwellers and even villagers like ourselves. So that's a Union pub. People are going in, not sitting outside, of course, because of the weather, and therefore there is not a whole lot to see. As you can see, it's too rainy. There is a pizza and salad place right there, and the place looks deserted, and that's a very popular restaurant right there. I've come there before, but I've not eaten, but I've come there and observed what goes on right there, which is quite interesting. So guys, so that's what's going on. It's really, there is not a whole lot to see, as I say, and that's why I want to hear from you. Drop a comment. Does it look boring, or is it okay to be kind of quiet on a Friday afternoon when it's raining and there aren't many people out? What do you expect? How different is this from where you are or where you are watching us from? Drop a comment there in the comment section. And most importantly, give this video a like, guys. It's very important. Just give it a like, even if it's not as enthusiastic, it's not as vibrant as one would have expected on a Friday afternoon. Give it a like and comment down below. Yeah, the lights are red, now green, so we move. We move. Guys, enjoy a rainy Friday afternoon here in Washington, D.C., the nation's capital. A rainy afternoon. How deserted streets look like the one that you are looking at right now. Even the police are here also wondering why there are no people. As you can see, even the police are wondering why there are no people in the streets. There you go, guys. There goes the police. There goes the police. So guys, we are coming up behind the Supreme Court in the state, in the nation's capital, Washington, D.C. The Supreme Court is right ahead of us, right there, and down there in the Capitol. There goes the Supreme Court from the back. There's not a whole lot going on, obviously, because being a Friday afternoon, if there was any activity, it would have been during the day. But also, you can just take a look and view what's really going on in these empty streets of Washington, D.C. today on Friday. Okay guys, we did not see a whole lot. I don't want to bore you too much, but let's end this video here. I hope you have enjoyed the little that we were able to do, but hold on. I think there is something that we can film ahead of us. There might be some activities, so I won't end it here. Let's give it a couple more minutes and see what happens. Remember, we are in Washington, D.C., the nation's capital in the United States of America. Just showing you these streets, some of them very quiet, and mainly because mainly because it's a rainy Friday afternoon. People here fear rain actually, even though they are used to it, but they don't quite come out as nicely as many of them. Not many of them come out as they would do on a sunny afternoon. Alright guys, look at this street right there. There's some activity there, some restaurants, people going on with their business, but hardly would you see people that are sitting outside, obviously because of the weather. But I'm also I just want us to take a turn here and see if there are some activities on this particular street. Right now we are on Pennsylvania Avenue, but you're gonna take a turn here on 3rd Street, not Southeast, 3rd Street Southeast, and see what's cutting. You see guys, deserted restaurants and bars because of the rain. We are going to compare and contrast when we do another video very soon in the coming days, when it will be an evening when it's not raining, and then we'll see how it compares to this evening today. Alright guys, this is D Street and 3rd Street intersection, and this is a school zone. The speed limit is 15 miles per hour. On the side is, on my right side is a park where people come to do some games and exercise and all that. Okay guys, so we will end it here as we approach the intersection that also has a highway, you know, not 295 but 695, and we'll call it a day for now. To tell you the truth, I personally am a bit disappointed. I thought we would even though there is rain and all that, I thought we would see a little more activity than we did today. And also it depends, and I'm disappointed also, not just because of that. I'm disappointed that I wasn't able to make it to some of these the streets that have more activity. So the disappointment, also you could be disappointed with me because I did not go to some of those streets. I know up in Midtown DC do have some activity regardless of the fact that it's raining. Nonetheless, the activity that we saw was good enough. Let's call it a day. Thank you for watching our videos, and if you are new here, please consider subscribing to this channel, liking the video, and also sharing this video. For now, as we get onto the highway, I want to say bye bye, God bless, and see you in the next one.